What are we looking at here?
It's a Fjallraven Popout III Alu, but the Alu is because it's 31 years old. I bought it 1990 before I go to Switzerland for a hike. Everywhere in Sweden, and much hiking in Sweden, and vacation trips to Europe, and in the Swiss Alps was the first journey for me to use it. I heard that when they developed the tent, they tried and tested in the Volvo wind tunnel at and 22 meter per second. The tent was light. You can see that the wind blowing, but nothing is happened.
So let's see if we can set this thing up and have a closer look at what it looks like today and how it performs.
It looks like brand new.
Yeah. So right now you're working on the inner tent, because when this was designed, the inner tent and the outer tent was not connected as they are today, right?
No. LES.
LES. No LES. So you got two entrances, small little pocket area there in the front, and but this is for 3 people then, right?
Yes, but 2 with the heads there, and then one.
Okay, so the lay.
The one in the opposite side.
Exactly, yeah. Now that we put on the roof, we can see that it's got the aluminum sort of color here. Do you know why it has that?
Oluflex.
Yeah.
And it's because it's been darker and not so warm in the tent.
Ah, okay, so it reflects the heat from the sun. Hence the sun resistant. All right, cool. So I was 2 years old when Frederick bought this tent, the end of the Cold War era. So that would make the tent roughly 25 years old now, something like that. Might be a little bit off on the math. I know I'm 25, that's all I know. But yeah, it's a really cool tent, and really wanted to take the time to set it up and show you guys how things have changed since. We don't see a lot of tents with Aluflex anymore. Don't know the reason for that, but I'm sure the technologies have changed a little bit, and weight and size and all that stuff has changed as well. So if you guys have any questions about this tent, don't ask me because I have no idea, but I will post them, I will forward them to Frederick, so you can still drop something down below. And again, if you guys have any other items or things that you would like me to show or talk about that are old but gold, then feel free to let me know and we'll see what we can come up with. Hope you guys really enjoyed this walkthrough of the Alu, what was it? Popout 3?
Yes.
Something
Oluflex.
like Oluflex. All right, guys, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.